Right, we are off. Whoops. Okay, that's better. Right, we are off to find some street food. Isn't that right, buddy? It's dinner time, or it's sort of near dinner time. We're going to have a walk around the temple, which is next door. Let's see if there's any street food delights that we can chow down on. So, let's roll. Do we push ground? No.
No.
We're off to a flying start. Oh, crikey. We've come up to a bit of a street food area. We've got some stuff over here. We're going to have a look-see. Look both ways across the road. What's taken your eyes so far? What's this?
Frog.
That's frog. What's that?
It's giblet.
Giblets.
Yes.
Giblet, yep. That's more frog.
Chicken.
That's chicken.
Snail.
And snails. Well, Maddo, there's your frogs, mate. Probably like the whole ones. I don't know about you.
Getting frog.
You gonna get frog?
Just to take away.
Just to take away? We'll have to tell Maddo how it is.
Yeah.
What do you think, buddy? You gonna try some froggy? Mister gonna have some frog?
Nah, it's too spicy.
Too spicy? Yeah, we'll be too actually. So what's he cooking in here?
Stir fry. It's
So
called hot stir fry frog.
Hot stir fry frog.
Spice.
So he's got some, looks like, what's that, oyster sauce? Kinal.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Salt.
Sugar. MSG.
MSG. Chili.
No,
Oh,
chili.
jeez. Oh. Look at the face, the smile.
So happy.
Look what's that. So the frog's already pre-cooked and this is just going to soak it in all the flavour. Oh, she's so happy.
And add vegetables.
Oh yeah, and chuck some greens in.
Morning glory. And a hot basil.
And what's that?
Hot basil.
Hot basil.
It's not hot, it's just its name hot
Named
basil.
hot basil, okay. Look, Max is, when the camera's on him, he looks at the camera, but he's been intrigued by all the noises and everything around us. Now, this is something if he's just been able to walk down the street and just get something to eat, which you can't do in Australia. You can't just turn up. And you couldn't just do this either. There's no such thing as old mate's frog cart just on the side of the road. Although you've got your kebab stands. But, no.
The people buy it, they have it with beer.
Okay, so it's a beer food.
The beer snack.
Okay. I've gone. So how much was that?
$2.50.
$2.50 for that. Oh, look at this. Donuts. Singers. Corn. Yeah, and Claire. Oh. What else we got here? We've got some KFC.
Fix your shoes.
Oh, we've got a shoe repairman. Oh, they've got Roti. This might be the only Roti stand in the whole of Phnom Penh. Remember one year we were driving around with David and Marc trying to find one because I was pissed and I wanted a Roti to soak up the beer. Couldn't find one.
Barbecue.
Anyway, what's this?
Barbecue meat.
Look at that. What, when you say meat, that looks like
Sorry.
duck.
That's duck,
Duck?
chicken, pork belly.
Pork belly.
Yeah.
Wow. It's starting to smell like our backyard.
And then pork ribs over there.
Pork ribs.
Yeah.
Oh, tempted. I think I'll be definitely getting a Roti at some point. The banana man. What else have we got? Coconuts.
Where?
Right in front of you.
Oh, yeah, I want coconut.
Oh, is that right? What did you find mildly interesting, buddy? His heads go like this, all the noises. Oh, that's a lot of coconut. You gonna have it now? Ah, so Max is gonna have coconut juice instead of boiled Melbourne tap water. Oh, look at this intricate funneling system. It's going to be for you, buddy. Yeah. Oh, me? Paying me compliments. I couldn't.
And the old lady said their head are round because they're smart.
Head. Kabal doit groit. I like being here. See, when I go to the shops at home, no one says I've got a head like an orange. Or a round head.
Westerner heads are round because they're smart.
Oh, I'll take that.
I don't think. My head's not round and I'm smart.
Is this one way? I can't bloody tell. Alright, we're clear. We're clear. We're clear. Look, Mr. Chan haircut. Now, is that the picture of Mr. Chan or a customer of Mr. Chan? Either way,
Not Chan, Chan.
Mr. Chan. Either way, smile, mate. Mr. Chan's haircuts. Do you think that was him?
Don't know.
If not, if it was, then I'd like to tell the guys, like, smile. Smile in your photos to promote your business.
Papaya salad.
Oh, your weakness, papaya salad. Do you reckon this is going to be better than the one at Springvale?
Of course.
Oh, shit house.
Question.
Another haircut, man. It's the haircut street.
Deep fried baby duck egg,
Oh.
which I want.
Get one. Get one of those machines. Guy's done the LPG conversion on his bike. It's good. So Kinal just ordered some what? Meatballs? And what's that? That's a deep fried baby duck egg. So that is a fetus in there. And they've deep fried it. And the young lady's just cooked it over here. Tomahawked it. And there she's deep frying it further.
Offering for luck.
Oh, and they've offered some rice with some lollies in there for good luck. So you've got your food. How much was that? $2. All right, we're winning here. I couldn't. Sun's going down. It's about whatever the time is there in Melbourne, 8:30, 5:30 here. Early dinner. We're going to go and line up at that meat joint to get myself something now.
I'm going to get him some banana, but I don't want to buy the whole...
You don't want to buy the whole bunch? Well, what are we going to do with a whole bunch of bananas?
Huh?
What about, they're only small. Come on, we'll get them. Come on, you go. Oh. I think that carrier would have been pretty good by now. Half your juice has fallen out.
I know, I saw it.
Oh, bugger.
Oh well.
How much for the bunch of bananas?
75 cents.
75 cents. That's more like it. Right, let's get some meat.
I gave him 2,000 more.
Yep.
He was so happy. Oh, thank you.
Oh, that's good. Trying to spread it around a little bit whilst we're here. Not so much to overpriced chook, though. He's got the chooks on. There's charcoal chicken.
You want the ribs or the belly? Or the chicken, the whole chicken? Drumsticks?
Chicken drumsticks. What's that over there? That pork or that's chicken?
In the stick?
Yeah.
Or up there?
Up there. That's chicken. I don't really want pork belly. That's not a lot of meat.
That's the belly.
Yeah. Drive up service. We're actually in the way here because people just want to drive up to this, don't they?
Yeah.
Alright, decision time. Let's get one bit of chook, but no choppy through the bones. And then one pork ribs, I reckon.
Like, you want the leg or the...
Where there's the most meat for me to consume. Yeah, that looks alright.
This one?
Yeah, whichever one of those ones. So this is sort of self-service. Kinal's going to go, right, I want this one here. He'll get it, chuck it on. And then she'll choose me a pork ribs. This bloke's just going with his hand. I'll have this one, thank you.
Which meat do you want?
Just as long as it's got a bit of meat.
This one?
Yeah, will do.
Okay. What does real?
How much?
5,000.
So $1.20.
Yeah, well, it's like $4 today.
Jeez.
You sure you just want one?
I'll get another one. Can't go wrong with those prices. So there you go. Old, what was it? Central Market. $4 each for the same piece. Bloody here, just $1. And we got ripped off.
And the ribs $2.50.
Okay. Mister? We'll move out of the way now. We've placed our order. So other people can come up and drive up. Like this guy here. So this is a street barbecue meat drive-through. Not too similar to KFC.
I just remember to tell her not to chop
don't
the
chop
chicken.
the shit out of it. I've gone cut the ribs, that's no drama. The chook. Whoa, buddy. Look at that. That's dinner. You licking your lips. Nom nom nom. Mmm, chenang chenang.
Ngan câu nó một câu nó tốt vui.
Chenang chenang.
Tốt.
Thầm lành.
Hả? Thầm lành. Thầm lành. Phải tự rọc với như là thầm lành. $10. $10.
Đáp. $10. Hey, mister.
Mami Khmer.
Mami Khmer, bad.
Oh, múc. Bên bò tê múc Khmer.
8 baht. Sop đó? Chenam.
No. One year.
1 year, 8 months. 8 months.
1 year 8 months.
No, just 8 months.
8 months.
Yeah. Protoi. Just đây. Cầm lăng.
Nhưng mà mấy nhiêu mình mua này.
Hang on. Some
Speak Khmer, speak.
tick. Him, Khmer, I speak. Not speak yet. So we speak Khmer to him. And on clap.
She mistaken putting a whole chicken, someone's whole chicken in it.
Oh, because she said, whoops, hang on. She said $1 and I'm like, hang on. I said, I'll wait for you, just in case.
So I said I didn't ask the whole chicken.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. I thought the other bits were the greens. Ah, there are the greens. There you go. Akun Charan. Lee hi. Right.
Give me.
Oh, goodness. I'll tell you what. Oh shit. We just wanted like a couple of bit of things to eat, but have a look at that loot. This is what happens.
Mister can have chicken with you.
Yeah, perfect.
And banana.
So, I think that's it. Thank you for coming along for this, what'd you call it? Phnom Penh street food extravaganza. Where what we've done is learnt that we absolutely got the arse ripped out of us today at the old market, paying $4 for one beat of chook.
Expected.
Hey?
Expected.
I didn't expect more expensive, but not that much. Anyway, we'll catch you in another video. See you later. Ciao.